4 days, still in the same campsite in Pompeii. I'm just really liking it here.
Flashback.
If you're feeling good, don't move. It's warm now, but yesterday weather took a turn for the worse. About 7 o'clock yesterday evening it started to rain. Lashing, and I don't think it stopped at 4 or 5 o'clock this morning. So anyway, I'm going to now go and do one of the jobs I hate doing, which is washing my clothes. It's right in this wee building here. I've only done it twice myself since I've left. I've a couple of times left them in places. And then I'm going to go for a good walk without the dogs. Show you around. Time for laundry. Ready at 12:27, that's only 20 minutes. So. No, 49.46 of an hour, 3/4 of an hour. Just before 1. Right, so all this stuff, these opportunities I'm getting to do things for the first time. I bought a lead, a line, and pegs. And I'm going to tie them up between these trees and dry my clothes, and I've never done that in my life. Never. Maybe over the balcony of a hotel, right enough, but that's it. Here we go. I'm surprised for this time of year, but this campsite has a big turnover of people. All the vans around me are not the vans that were here at the weekend. Hate waiting things time-wise. Looking at my watch every 5 minutes. It's only been 10 minutes since I put my washing on. And I want to get out for my walk. Have to be patient, have a coffee.
1 eternity later.
Camping right next door to my campsite. Bit of a market. Another one. 3 in a row. So this is the road just in front of the ruins of Pompeii. Supermarket just a couple of 100 meters down the road. I will go in there on the way back. Didn't know Google took you shortcuts. This looks very like a shortcut. Would I come in here at night time? Not a chance. Ah, the memories, the memories. That's where I'm going there. Shopping mall. Guys, it's eventually happened. I can't believe it. 12 weeks I've waited. Tried everywhere. Ta-da! Enjoyed that. I don't like shopping. So I tried to walk around the mall, which is quite nice. It didn't last long. I do admit that that 3 mile walk was just for KFC. and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Mount Vesuvius. Maybe it's just a cloud, but there looks like there's smoke coming out of it. I'll have to look that up when I get back. Does it ooze? You never know, I might get lucky and get my stuff here, but I don't think so. I'm just too optimistic. Of course I wasn't going to get this stuff, but I got some treats, so that's me happy. Gears, fixed. Gear on that side, fixed. Took them apart. And the grey button is for dropping gears. Thought I had destroyed them. Putting them back together. There's all sorts of wee springs, but it's all wee rusty bits inside, all seized up. So I'm all chuffed now. I have gears that work. Still no power. Took the battery off. Right, so you're on the handlebars today. So I don't know how wobbly it will seem. I suppose it'll be as wobbly as I ride. Left or right? Okay, right. Oh, I'll have to go for it sometime. Out on the road, here we go. Hope I don't die. So I'm going to come off the road now just for a second. Not because I'm scared. It isn't. It isn't. Was. I think I just talked to my subtitles. I'm going to turn back, and this is much more difficult because I'm crossing the road. Oh, nice and clear. Let's go. Turning left, I'm going to be crossing the traffic, so quick look behind me. Oh, nice and clear, I can go. Yeah. Alive, alive. Shorts on again. I mean, wearing shorts is so different from everybody else at the minute. I don't think I could go to the campsite with them, my shorts on. Shouldn't care, of course. Shouldn't give a fiddlers. I always talk myself into things that I'm thinking I wouldn't do. So guys, just before I sign off this video, I want to thank my subscribers and everyone that watches. A small milestone was hit. I recently, a couple of days ago, got over 100 subscribers. It's now at 110. I went to over 1,000 views in a month, which is miles bigger than before. It's now at 1,100 a couple of days later, and my watch hours, the amount of hours that people sat physically watching for the month, was 100 hours. So they're all milestones. I'm just so delighted and want to thank you all. And if you want to see more, anyone who hasn't subscribed, I'd love you to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, even just the like button. It all helps with Google or YouTube. So thank you, and I'm going to leave the video off there. So until next time, bye for now.